Quick overview of the ShopFloor Engage site. First of all, we need to log on. You should be giving a username and password. Once you've logged on, this will be your default screen. It shows all the stores by area and some summary information for the account. So if you click show all, that'll bring back every single store, number of tweets that store's done, number of accounts that store is following, how many people are following the store, the total retweets and likes the store's acquired, and any reviews there that we've done as an analyst. If you click on infograph, you can pick on a store. Let's pick on Aberdeen, put a date period in, and you can create your own store infograph. This will give you some information about total followers and the growth on the previous period, so it'll be 5% up on the 30-day period, previous 30 days, and the total size of the network that the store is generating. This is 4.2 million people potentially that could be reached from the aggregate of all the followers of this account. And this really shows you a breakdown of that network. So the top follower for this store has 1.9 million people following them. That's where most of the reach is going. And you can click on that and have a little look at the account in more detail. Here is, if you've asked us to, we can actually tag your followers into groups, into segments. So you can analyze this by category, so we can see how many local community groups, what type of people, is it local media people following you. This gives a summary of the activity of the 30-day period. So that we selected in the query, there's 96 tweets, it's averaging 3 per day. Compliance is 97%, which is fairly good. Anything above 90% shows it's generally within our guidelines of how to operate a ShopFloor Twitter account. This actually goes into a bit more detail where we've scored your tweets out of 5 stars, so there's an average of 2.6 there, which is a fairly average score. That shows you how many mentions you've had in the 30-day period, how many you've responded to, and the length of time it's taking you to respond. And this is all here to guide you. It's not to criticize you, it's here to show you how you can improve. This is a really important diagram. It shows you how you're using the account. So over that 30-day period, I can see here that almost 60% of retweets, you're retweeting around about 27, broadcasting around 27%, and you're having around 15% conversations. That seems a bit heavy on the retweeting. I'd expect for about a year on a store account to be about 30% broadcast, 30% conversations, and about 40% retweets. Mainly retweeting local news or the brand campaign. And this shows time of day that your store colleagues are using this Twitter account. Over here, this breaks down the topics because our analysts have reviewed every tweet. We put them into topics. So again here, that's the biggest segment, retweet brand campaign, which marries up with this data up here. The next biggest one is either products or retweeting other stores. This is where you don't necessarily need to retweet other stores. The aim of retweeting is either the brand campaign or retweet local news. So we want to embed you in the local community. And here 13% local community engagement, which is great, or in-store events. So we're trying to help you here by giving you some ideas on how the stores are using it. So if I have a quick look at report, if you want to, you can download your report. First of all, let's deselect stores. You can pick one store, again for a date period you want, and click full report. This will show in a CSV file what the total activity on the account. You can see here how this is again the data that we've just seen, but you can see it in spreadsheet format. If you click on here, you can actually look at every single tweet that we've reviewed for you. Let's go back to the application, and the last thing I want to show you is a search. So over here we built a search facility, so you can type in "make it scary" and click search, and this will bring back all the tweets from the store accounts that have "make it scary" in it, either as a hashtag or just a phrase, and it will do it in order of most retweeted tweet first. So there we are, Woking getting the most retweets there with 11 retweets, and it's bringing back a video as well. There's another good Woking video there, and you can actually play the video from within this app as well. So that's a very quick overview of ShopFloor Engage.